Good evening, technicians. Good evening, DIY crew. Welcome to another episode. Today we are just doing a bench test between the Mast lithium battery and the Mast hybrid inverter, which is a 4 kilowatt inverter. So what you need to base on if you're a technician, you need to base on the protocol address, because without that it won't communicate at all. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. Come closer. All right. So you get your comms cable, you connect it on the CAN ports on the battery. We are using CAN protocol, yeah. So then on the inverter you connect it on the comms port, right? Then on the inverter you long press enter. All right, press enter. You go down on option number 14. Sorry. Number 14, where you select the battery type. So our battery type is lithium. That's the LI symbol. Then we go on option number 37. You change from voltage to SOC. That's the state of charge. That's SOC. Then we go number 20. That's where you select the cutoff of the lithium battery. So me, I'll just leave it on 20%, which is okay. Then 95%, this one, option number 39, is the bulk charge of the battery. So it's either you leave it on 95% or you put it on 99%, which is still okay as well. Then we go number 40. This option number 40, that's the one which selects if there's no communication between the battery and the inverter is supposed to shut down completely. So this one we change it to uni, so that the battery and the inverter, if there's no communication, is supposed to disconnect. Then option number 41, that's where you select the protocol. That's the major setting which you need to set. So for the Mast battery, you need to set on 0. Sorry, on 0. That's the protocol for Mast battery and the Mast inverter. I think that's it all. Then we go back to main menu. All right. So if there's communication, this AY icon here supposed to flick like how it is now. So which means there's communication now. As you can see now, the battery was full before, but now there's 2 bars. So it's now showing the real state of charge from between the battery and the inverter. So let me quickly navigate on the screen. So right now it's showing 19 degrees. That's the temperature for the cells inside the battery. Then it's showing 26.1 voltage here. Then 36%, that's the actual state of charge which is inside the battery. So if there's no communication now, the inverter is supposed to quickly to shut down completely, no output at all. So let me just remove the cable, the comms cable. All right. So it will take at least a minute or so. Then it will actually cut off the output from the inverter. So if there's no communication soon to this icon LI symbol, it will be constant and it won't be flicking as it is now. So hopefully now it's supposed to hold. Yeah, so you can see now the icon is now constant. It's no longer flicking, which means there's no communication. You can see the state of charge of the battery. It's now 100%, but that's not the actual state of charge. Between the battery and the inverter, which is showing now at the moment. So once we return the cable, ovens. So you can see now there's an an error 56, which is showing that if you check in the manual on the fault code, it will be showing there that the battery connection is open, which means there's no communication. So once we return the cable, the comms cable, all right, it should just take some few seconds once it synchronizes the communication. So you can see now the icon is now flicking in this output to the load. So that's it, guys, for today. So for any tips and issues, feel free to contact the Sunray Electrical. I've been Sunray Electrical. Ciao.